Here's a new 2020 Toyota Corolla. Go ahead and make a statement that will make you stand out. After all, it's not bragging if it's true. It comes with great features you love. Smart device navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, leather steering wheel, configurable instrument gauges, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection notes the front seats are comfortable and Toyota has lengthened their cushions. Despite that, the Corolla will seat 4 6-footers without front seat occupants having to slide their seats far forward. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Visit our website at youngercars.com. We're conveniently located at 1945 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.